You ain't doing that with your teeth. Gentle. It's not a bit of tin plate, it's cast. Where's that off the top there, mate?
Do you know what? That's what I just climbed up here to do.
Jeez Louise. Well, they've got good bands on it as well. Bit of surface rust from condensation. Hey, look. It's had a bit of condensation in it. All the pinion shafts look okay though. Right.
Not too bad, does it?
No, like I say, it's got a bit of crust, but it should wash out. Yeah. Pinion shafts all look good. Like I say, look at that.
I don't know whether that's a rivet hole or a budget hole.
Budget hole, wasn't it?
What one?
This one? Yeah. Put your finger in it. See what size that is.
Go and check on our other one. Brand new. Right, mate. You missed a bit, Del. Bit more. What we need to do, yeah, well, I'm thinking just put the 4 in because we've got to get longer ones. We're only going to have to get longer ones anyway.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you've got 4 in it, it's got 4 in it.
Yeah, and then we'll get some longer bolts.
We'll need longer bolts by about another 2 inches. And we'll be laughing.
Right.
I'll get better than a quick fix here like us two.
Go on then, get it out, we'll get the forklift out of the way and we'll have a look. See whether we're in the right set of bolt holes. Looks right though, because it's flat at the front. New hook, our new door, and our old Dell.
What is hammer?
His favourite tool. That's it. Just got to take that bit of white chalk mark out.
Blob it together.
Just blob it away.
Put the top bit in, then we can re-weld the bottom bit.
Well, that's. Have you You side shifted this? Yeah, yeah.
Side shifted all the way across.
Yeah.
We've done that. Do that before you come in.
Right, let me get up there.
Further back the forks this time as well, so we've got to watch his head.
It's alright, let me way above my head by the time you get that up level enough.
Not much in there to hurt though, is it?
Huh?
Down. Hold it there. Down.
Another bit on Dell.
Another
Bit of the jigsaw puzzle.
Let's look now. We've got a door.
We've got a door. It's welded up though.
Yeah. So we can't get robbed. That is.
So that they
No
go.
one can't catch
So they can't
us.
get our stereo.
Yeah. They can't have our radio.
We're almost there. Look, on one side. Just got that odd shaped plate to make, and some bits and pieces to fill in where we couldn't quite get it. The road plate to match up everywhere.
I don't think it had many more, did it, Mick?
What's that?
4 bolts on the
Yeah, it's odd though, isn't it? You don't see them. That's what's good about it.